Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this a small video about euro index and euro pairs. Just wanted to show you that the chart I made a year ago on the 6th of September 2018, what happened to that chart, and so far today is 7th September 2019, exactly after 1 year. This chart, I said, okay, we have finished wave A, then A, B, C. We're gonna be finishing wave B right here. We're gonna go up a little bit, right? Wave B, and then we will come down all the way here for wave C. And usually wave C comes in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, because wave C is usually impulse wave. So what happened to this chart, let's see, as of today or as of yesterday, is this. The same chart, exactly the same thing, nothing changes, but you see we went up exactly where I said we're gonna go for wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 is coming down here. The target is 61%, is right around the corner, right? Powerfully coming down right now. And along the way I made the chart when we were here. I said we're gonna drop, so we're dropping, but I'm not gonna show all those charts because the video is gonna be going long. So just two chart, one chart before a year ago, and this is what happened. Again, this is the chart before A, B, C, now on the 6th September 2018, and this is the chart I made as of yesterday, well actually made today, and on the 6th September 2019, after a year. Now because of that, what happened is that when euro index is going down, that means euro is getting weaker. And I watch all the index like USD index, euro, pound, Aussie, yen, CAD. So just to know that where the individual currency, as an individual currency, these currencies are going, either they're getting strong or weaker. For example, if this euro index is dropping, means euro is going to get weaker. And every time it's dropping, euro pairs, all of them will be going down. EUR-USD, euro Aussie, euro CAD, euro yen, euro pound, all of that. So and I have good opportunity to short wherever I find a short setup, then I jump in. So for example, I'm going to show you a few trades in the last week. Is, for example, euro CAD on August 26th, right? It went up there, but it started to come down, and I jump here all the way down 90 pips. From my entry chart is my 20-minute chart. But knowing that euro is gonna get weaker time to time, every time it retrace, it gets strong a little bit, just the retracement, and then comes with along with the trend, it can go down. And similarly on the 30th, you have a euro CAD, another opportunity. This was the first one, came against a little retracement and then drop. This was the entry, this was the entry, beautiful entry, right? After this, look, this is small girdle here, right? So very easy if you understand the whole game. Now here EUR-USD on the 30th, right? Beautiful entry here from the 7-minute chart. Not too many pips because the 7-minute chart, but it's still something, right? And here on September 1st, you can see euro yen, beautiful, turning to the downside, and I jumped in to the short side because euro's weakness. And euro Aussie, beautiful short entry all the way down on the 3rd, September 3rd, and there's another entry. Well, after retracing a little bit, again it went down. Euro Aussie is an awesome trade. Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, pound yen, right? These are big movers, and they give you several trades in a day. With big pippage. So these are, first one was 85 something, the second one is 60 pip all the way here from 7-minute entries, and I don't know if I have no more. So these are a few trades I'm showing you that based on just that euro index chart. And similarly, I have charts, and I call them a directional chart. They give me the direction where this individual currency is going. And similarly, I am shorting pound pairs a lot based on the same scenario. I have maybe I will make another video after this one for pound index and pound trades I took to the short side. I did take a long side too whenever the news, for example, some news comes out some night, very good news, something, and then the pound all of a sudden gets strong, and pound pairs goes up. But that is only for that night and only to give a retracement, and then again it falls down. And then when it goes, I go with that. And the beauty is that if you can catch the index move, for example, euro is dropping, that means EUR-USD, EUR-Aussie, Euro-Pound, Euro-Yen, Euro-CAD, all of them, they're going to drop. And you have either pick and choose or trade all of them. 4 trades, 5 trades in a night. Similarly, pounds, you have a lot of pairs in pound, right? And when the pound is dropping, then you have so many pairs, so many short trades in hand. Either you can pick and choose which one you want, the best one. Just take those, maybe 2 or 3, or trade all 6, 7 pairs, right? So it's that's why you see me sometimes I have pound pair one day like 4 or 5 trades together, all of that, Euro, Pound USD, and Pound Aussie, Pound Yen. I short all of them at the same time. It is because the index is dropping, dragging all the pairs involving that currency to the downside. Okay, this is how it works. And by the way, the way I take the trades, what I do is after the weekly charts, you see all those weekly chart numbers here. Let me show you real quick because video is getting bigger now. I don't want to. For example, these numbers, right? So when you're dropping, what are these numbers? I watch these numbers here, and then I draw on my 33-minute chart. That's another directional chart, which is this one. See the Euro Index 33-minute chart. So I see what is happening here. For example, it went up here, and then 29.50 got stopped, dropped here exactly to 28.17. Then it went up, got support here, resistance on 29.01 exactly, drop all the way down to 27.02. Let me just shut this thing up. 27.02, and then it bounced a little bit, gave me a short setup, right? When I see that setup, I know euro is gonna drop. Excuse me, and I will go and short all the euro pairs. So it dropped here, found support, went up little resistance at 27.33, and then drop. Went up, testing 26.13, and start to drop. Next target would be down here 24.29. It's like AB equal to CD, 127% coming here. 61% of all this big up move is also 161.8%. A butterfly calculation is there, and there's a weekly number also, which is 24.29. So all 3 numbers are showing a sign that we're gonna be dropping here, and obviously euro is gonna get weaker, and euro USD, euro Aussie, euro yen, they all will be going down, and I will be shorting them again, and I will be showing my charts and my trades again later sometime, maybe next week or following week of that. Okay, so this is how beautiful is watching the euro index, any index, all the index charts. And this is what I teach in my webinars, and when you subscribe, you get to know and you get to learn all of these, and you get all the charts and templates and all of that. All right, so if you want to be a part of it, go on my website, subscribe, and start trading. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow I'm going to have a live webinar with my subscribers and tell them what to do and show them all these possible setups, and explain and tell them what to do, what we're supposed to be doing, in which pair, going long, which going short, for next couple of days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we'll have another webinar for Thursday and Friday. So this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.